This video is best viewed in full screen mode, and on YouTube that's this icon right here. And if you have a high bandwidth connection, it's best viewed in HD, which can be selected by clicking on this icon here and selecting 720p. Now, if you're watching this video, it's probably because you've seen this message come up and you've clicked on this help link right here. And what this about is it's telling you that there are too many users logged into the database. For example, in this situation, there are you have a 2-user license, and there are 3 people, including yourself, that are trying to be logged into the database right now. And so it won't let you use the program. You basically have to click on this button and then buy another user license or get one of the other users out of the database. Another reason you might get this message is it is possible that if someone is logged into the database and their PC loses power, then what happens is there's a small file that's written out onto the hard drive every time someone logs in, and then it's erased when people log out. And if the program's not shut down cleanly, that file can be hanging out there, and it appears that a person is logged in who is not logged in. The best solution for that is to, for example, if you know that Jane over here on Jane's PC isn't logged in, that's erroneous, then in order to get that file cleared out, the best thing to do is just to have her open up the Judgment Management System and then close it. And then what that'll do is that'll clear out that file out there. Another thing you can do is more of a last resort type situation, but if you need to clear out the locks, you can click on this button here, and this brings you up this very scary dialog box. And if you click on this, what it'll do is it'll remove all the locks that are on the database and remove all the login information that's out there. And there's actually something you really don't want to do if you can all avoid it. It's much better to have a person who's appears to be logged in that's not to go ahead and open the database and close it, and that'll clear things up. Because if you do this, you're basically removing all records, all the information that the system uses to keep track of who's in the database. If someone's editing a list, it's not going to know that anymore. It's a lot of technical gobbledygook, but basically, you really don't want to use this option unless you have no other choice. And if you click on this link here, it'll even go into more detail about all of what this does. So anyhow, that is what this is about here. It just basically says there are more people logged into the database than is allowed by your user license.